everybody, it's Az from Heel vs. Babyface, and since BlizzCon, Activision Blizzard's stock price has been in the skids. Look at it! Ever since the announcement of Diablo Immortal, Activision Blizzard's stock price, it's going down. Is it all about the investors or the gamers? Is it about World of Warcraft? Is it about Diablo Immortal? Is it about Warcraft 3 Reforged? I'm making a video about it because it's going down. Just look at this. Actually, look at this is exactly correct. Ladies and gentlemen, behold, Activision Blizzard's stock price over the last 5 years.
Mic drop.
Context, mother bleep bleep!